A study carried out by a network of hospitals under the Indian Council of Medical Research or ICMR has found that 6.5% COVID patients died within a year of hospital discharge. These were the patients who had been admitted to hospital with moderate to severe COVID-19 infection. People experiencing post-COVID conditions after being discharged from the hospital were nearly 3 times more likely to die during the following year compared to those who did not report these symptoms. The findings are based on data of 14,419 patients across 31 hospitals. The study reported that 17.1% of those hospitalized since September 2020 experienced post-COVID conditions. The study did not follow the WHO or US CDC definitions of long COVID, which came after the Indian study had already begun. However, the study goes into symptoms like persistent fatigue, breathlessness, or cognitive abnormalities such as weaker memory and brain fog. These are similar to what WHO and US CDC described as long COVID symptoms. The study shows that the risk of death in the year after discharge from the hospital was higher among men and in those above the age of 60. The study also shows that even those who had received even a single vaccine faced a 60% reduced risk of death in the first follow-up at 4 weeks. The study said that participants who had received at least one dose of the anti-SARS-CoV-2 vaccine before their COVID-19 infection had a lower risk of post-discharge mortality. The study says that there could be various explanations for deaths reported in the year following COVID-19. The deaths could have been due to factors including prolonged inflammation, organ damage due to the virus, or endothelial, which means lining of the inner layer of lungs dysfunction. ICMR is conducting more such studies like the effect of COVID-19 vaccine on thrombotic events among the 18 to 45-year-old population. Thrombotic means when blood clots within the blood vessels, restricting the flow of blood.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.